Can you, can you, can you,
Can you help me? Can you help me? Can you help me?
Can you text me? Can you text me? Can you text me?
Can you let me know? Can you let me know? Can you let me know?
Can you call me back? Can you call me back? Can you call me back?
Can you repeat that? Can you repeat that? Can you repeat that?
could you, could you, could you,
Could you do me a favor? Could you do me a favor? Could you do me a favor?
Could you show me? Could you show me? Could you show me?
Could you send it to me? Could you send it to me? Could you send it to me?
Could you speak more slowly? Could you speak more slowly? Could you speak more slowly?
Could you tell me what happened? Could you tell me what happened? Could you tell me what happened?
would you, would you, would you,
Would you come with me? Would you come with me? Would you come with me?
Would you pass me the salt? Would you pass me the salt? Would you pass me the salt?
Would you explain this again? Would you explain this again? Would you explain this again?
would you take a look at this? Would you take a look at this? Would you take a look at this?
Would you write it down for me? Would you write it down for me? Would you write it down for me?
Can I, can I, can I,
Can I see it? Can I see it? Can I see it?
Can I come in? Can I come in? Can I come in?
Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card?
Can I get a receipt? Can I get a receipt? Can I get a receipt?
Can I make an appointment? Can I make an appointment? Can I make an appointment?
could I, could I, could I,
Could I get some help? Could I get some help? Could I get some help?
Could I borrow this? Could I borrow this? Could I borrow this?
Could I check it first? Could I check it first? Could I check it first?
could I think about it? Could I think about it? Could I think about it?
Could I have your name, please? Could I have your name, please? Could I have your name, please?
May I, may I, may I,
May I join you? May I join you? May I join you?
May I start now? May I start now? May I start now?
May I take a look? May I take a look? May I take a look?
may I leave a message? May I leave a message? May I leave a message?
May I ask you a question? May I ask you a question? May I ask you a question?
Is it okay if I, is it okay if I, is it okay if I,
Is it okay if I park here? Is it okay if I park here? Is it okay if I park here?
Is it okay if I record this? Is it okay if I record this? Is it okay if I record this?
Is it okay if I use your phone? Is it okay if I use your phone? Is it okay if I use your phone?
Is it okay if I finish it tomorrow? Is it okay if I finish it tomorrow? Is it okay if I finish it tomorrow?
Is it okay if I change the time? Is it okay if I change the time? Is it okay if I change the time?
would it be possible to, would it be possible to, would it be possible to,
Would it be possible to get a copy? Would it be possible to get a copy? Would it be possible to get a copy?
Would it be possible to do it online? Would it be possible to do it online? Would it be possible to do it online?
Would it be possible to get a refund? Would it be possible to get a refund? Would it be possible to get a refund?
Would it be possible to send me the details? Would it be possible to send me the details? Would it be possible to send me the details?
Would it be possible to reschedule the appointment?
Would it be possible to reschedule the appointment? Would it be possible to reschedule the appointment?
do you mind, do you mind, do you mind,
Do you mind giving me a hand? Do you mind giving me a hand? Do you mind giving me a hand?
Do you mind waiting a minute? Do you mind waiting a minute? Do you mind waiting a minute?
Do you mind if I share this? Do you mind if I share this? Do you mind if I share this?
Do you mind if I finish it later? Do you mind if I finish it later? Do you mind if I finish it later?
Do you mind if I keep this copy? Do you mind if I keep this copy? Do you mind if I keep this copy?
Would you mind? Would you mind? Would you mind?
Would you mind sending it to me? Would you mind sending it to me? Would you mind sending it to me?
Would you mind checking the time? Would you mind checking the time? Would you mind checking the time?
Would you mind if I use this table? Would you mind if I use this table? Would you mind if I use this table?
Would you mind if I make a quick call? Would you mind if I make a quick call? Would you mind if I make a quick call?
Would you mind if I leave early today? Would you mind if I leave early today? Would you mind if I leave early today?